Well, the deadline for filing tax returns is fast approaching, and the Canada Revenue Agency is warning Canadians to be on the lookout for scams. This year is no exception, as fraudsters try to lure people into giving away personal information over the internet and by phone. Stéphane Giroux has more on that.
Helen Zolna Abrams was harassed for weeks by someone claiming to be from the Canada Revenue Agency. The caller wanted personal information.
It scared me. I think it would scare many people. He sounded very serious. He called saying that he was a sergeant.
Zolna Abrams checked with her accountant, who told her she owed nothing, that the call was indeed a scam. Still, the fraud artist kept trying.
Don't try to disregard this message and call me back as soon as possible. Again, this is Officer Ryan Smith from Revenue of Canada. Thank you.
Tens of thousands of Canadians received similar fraudulent calls last year. And as tax season reaches its peak this month, scammers are expected to try other methods. The most common is through email. You get a message like this one, for example. It looks like a legitimate message from the Canada Revenue Agency, but it's all a facade designed to get your personal information.
Now it's known as spearphishing. They're preparing targeted people that they think will fall for this scam, and it'll look like the real deal.
The fraudulent email usually takes you to a web page that looks real, but it's not.
Most of the time, you're clicking on these links and it's asking you to fill out a form, and it's got your first name, last name, date of birth, social insurance number, maybe your credit card data. And the moment you hit submit, the hackers on the other side, or the scammers, see exactly what you're typing in.
And with that info, your identity gets hijacked and your bank accounts can be emptied in minutes. The problem is so prevalent that the Revenue Agency posts all the potential scams out there on its own website. Now, there's something very important to remember. The Canada Revenue Agency will never contact you through email or even by phone. The way they communicate is through mail. As for Zolna Abrams, she's now on the lookout for the next scammer who's out to get her money.
You're gullible. You believe the person on the other end of the line. Mm-hmm. But something was too fishy. It didn't make any sense.
Stéphane Giroux, CTV News.